Hello, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. In this video, I will show you how we can install a Google Tag Manager in a Shopify website. So at first, we have to create a Tag Manager account. So for that, let's go to tagmanager.google.com. After going to Google Tag Manager, you have to click Create Account. Now input your website name. Let's write shopping site. After that, we will install our we will install Google Tag Manager in this Shopify website. For that, let's copy the URL and come here and paste it. Remove the HTTPS. Okay, so as it is a website, we have to click web. Now click create. We have to accept the terms and click yes. We have successfully created our Google Tag Manager. So as we created Google Tag Manager, we'll get a code. But if we close this, we can see the code also from here. And this is a Tag Manager ID. So this is the identification. If we click here, then we can see the code. So at first, let's go to our Shopify dashboard. So if we visit Shopify dashboard, then after under the online store, the themes is already selected. So from here we can see a theme. Now click these three dots, then click edit code. So now we have to go to Google Tag Manager again and click this ID and copy this. And what is the instruction says, paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. So let's go to our Shopify dashboard and find this head. This head is the option. We have to come here and in the below of this head, let's paste the code. Let's make a space. Now paste the code. We have done. So this code says here is the starting of the Google Tag Manager script code, and this is the ending. So after pasting this code, we are almost done. Click save. After successfully doing this task, let's visit our website. Let's close this tab and visit our website again. So if we see, this is a Chrome extension. This we can see that our tag manager is installed, but we will use our official Google Tag Assistant. For that, click enable and reload this page. This is a official tag assistant, and we can see that here a Google Tag Manager ID is just fired, and we can also match our ID Z36F J36F. We can also see our tag manager by clicking preview in our tag manager dashboard. So let's paste our website URL and click connect. After that, our website will be loaded again, and we can see that this shows data, and here the container ID also shows. So that means our tag manager successfully got installed. Thank you to watch this video. We will bring more tutorial like this. If you want to see tutorial like this, please subscribe. Thank you very much.